Is your iPhone stuck on the connect to computer screen and won't boot up? Don't worry. Here's how to fix recovery mode in just a few steps. Tap like and subscribe for more iPhone help in 2025. First, try a force restart. Quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. If it reboots normally, you're done. Still stuck? Connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes or Finder. You'll see a prompt to update or restore. Click update first. This will reinstall iOS without deleting your data. If update fails, repeat the steps and this time choose restore. This will erase your iPhone but should fix the issue. Still not working or getting error codes like 4013? That may be a hardware issue. Contact Apple support or visit a repair center. Problem solved? Hit like and subscribe for more 2025 iPhone fixes. Let us know what worked for you in the comments below.